And our young, oh no, she's gonna wind up on the rocks. She came off the dock, couldn't make the turn. Instead of trying to back off, she tried to pull the old Boynton U-turn, and it's backfired on her. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Boynton Beach, and man, things are starting off fast. Now, our girl's successfully able to get herself kicked off the rocks, and she'll go ahead and pull out of here, but I don't know why she went for the U-turn there and didn't just try reversing back out. But for whatever reason, she kicked off the dock, tried to swing it around, and it just did not go well for her. So our crew's coming in on approach here. Cap's trying to line her up with the dock, and we've got our young lady in the bow trying to set up the fenders. She's trying to line that one up, but I mean, they didn't do a very good job with the back one either. It's just kind of dragging in the water. I don't think that rear one on the stern is going to help much at all. So our lady at least gets hers hanging, and we're just going to leave the stern one dragging for the moment. So Cap's going to go ahead and start to make his turn in toward the dock. So starting to come in on approach. Oh, the hard brake check. I'm not sure what he was doing there, but thankfully everybody held on. Whenever I see a hard brake check like that, I'm waiting for somebody to go down. And fortunately, all we saw was people go down and sit down. So Cap's going to back out hard on this one. And they're going to have to try and reline it up one more time. So we're going to give it a second attempt. Cap's going to come back in and try and approach this once again. Maybe. Right now we're still going somewhere in reverse. And here we go, attempt number 2 coming on now. But wait, Cap's going to get dock blocked. As the truck decided, forget it, bro, you missed on your first shot. We're going to go ahead and back down this dock, and we're going to take it from you. And this crew's going to move in to unload. I mean, that's an interesting one. I mean, we are short-handed on docks down here at Boynton today. As you can tell, we've got a couple that are closed down. But this crew was like, yeah, you had your one shot. It's over, bro. Now you get to wait for us. Let me know in the comments, who's got the right-of-way here? I mean, in theory, these guys were going after that dock. I think it's their dock. I don't see anything wrong with necessarily with the way the situation's laid out, as long as this crew gets off the dock fast. In other words, as they're loading right now, in theory, this crew could come in behind them, get on the dock, and everything just be fine. But they really did kind of snake it on them. It was still an interesting setup, but we'll see what Cap does here. They're just going to patiently wait, it appears, and let this crew try and load. But, I mean, he could probably go ahead and come back in now. They've got the motor going still, so he's going to have to fight that a little bit. And it's kind of kick him back just a hair as he tries to come in, if they've still got that motor running. So, it looks like we got it winched up. They've gotten it done pretty quickly. I don't think they trimmed their motor up, though. And they're going to try and pull out. I heard somebody yelling, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if they wound up hitting the motor on that or not, but it was definitely trimmed down. The boat took a huge bounce. Man, something definitely happened there. But here comes our crew. Second chance attempt. Let's see if they can get it on the dock this time. So Cap's taking it slow and easy this time on the approach. And we got some hands on the dock. And we got some feet on the dock as well. Let's see if our girl's going to get off on the bow and get this one done. And there we go. 2 lines on. We should be good to roll from here. So after several minutes, our crew that got dock blocked has gotten their trailer back down the ramp, and they are ready to try and load. And here we go, Cap's bringing her on. So lining it up, looks like the angle's pretty decent. But they've left the fenders on the side of the vessel. And they're going to get caught on the guide pole, and they take the guide pole out because they left the lines and the fenders over there. Oh, man, they should have put those up. So we've got the double jet ski trailer trying to back down the ramp up top. Of course, they're coming to the far right ramp if we're looking at the screen to the far right for us. But our crews took a few minutes even to get to the point that they're at now, and we can tell again they've messed up again already, and they're going to have to pull forward and try and straighten this back out. Because they're trying to get to this ramp here, and they are heading nowhere near it at this point, as that trailer's going back the other direction now. So there we go, we'll straighten it back out to try and get it pointed at least in the right direction. And there we go. Getting going the right spot. But now they get it turned back. And again, way off. And now we're just going the wrong direction. So we got some Boynton wobble action going on down here. This crew's going to try and wobble the trailer back down the ramp. And wrong way, bro. Alright, somebody's going to have to come up here and give this person a hand and try and explain to them where they need to go. So we got the guy in the blue trunks kind of walking up toward the truck. You're going to have to turn... No. Still going the wrong direction completely. They're gonna back it right down the ramp at this pace. Excuse me, not the ramp, the dock is what they're aiming at. What are you doing? This crew is not even close. Again, starting off in the wrong direction. Finally get it turned, but like, I mean, he's on the dock almost. There we go. Getting it going toward the right path at least a little bit. Gonna have to turn back hard, but I mean, they're gonna have to run over the dock with the truck, I think, to get this one back down there. Things are starting to look into the right direction, but they're probably gonna have to pull this one forward again to try and straighten it out. And the wrong direction we go one more time. And they're trying to get it turned around really quickly. And we're getting somewhere now. Oh, and even the turn back was right. I think they might have it. But how about the crew in the jet skis next to them deciding not to get on the dock either and just jump into the water with the jet ski? And I thought they looked good for a few moments, and all of a sudden they get themselves right next to the dock again. And now the truck's so close, making it difficult. But I think they're on the right path here. I probably gained some success. The wheels are touching the water. And our crew, I believe, has found the path. And we'll finally get this one in, and they should be good to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. Also, we've got the Drain Plug Mafia channel, where we feature those Googans of the week. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.